MDrummer is a highly advanced drum machine plugin with unique features you will hardly find anywhere else. Among them are rhythm and drum set generators and mergers, sample library import, unique generators, such as synthesizer 4NN, and scratcher, unlimited effect pipelines. It can play up to 9 different rhythms of any complexity at once. The list goes on and on. Since it's obviously a beast, these video tutorials will help you start writing it. First, select a drum set on the left and load it by double-clicking. Then choose a rhythm on the right and load it too. Now press the intro button. MDrummer will play the intro and automatically switch to the beat. Try other buttons like break, outro, verse 1 and 2, chorus, etc. These all command the virtual drummer to do something. Let's see how it all works. Imagine MDrummer is made of 2 separate parts, a drum set and a player. The drum set is on the left side of the quick setup in the drum set panel and defines how MDrummer sounds. The player is on the right side in the panel called Rhythms and defines the virtual musician's performance. Let's play a bit with the sound first. Select a completely different drum set and click Load and Join. Fun, huh? It's like having multiple drummers play the same thing. One playing acoustic drums, another on electric drums. How about a completely new drum set? Just click Generate. We're just scratching the surface here, by the way. Need a little more control? Check the Designer page, where you can select individual drums generate random ones and more. Master effects are cool too, just to get some specific overall sound. Moving up to the globals, volume and panorama is probably self-explanatory. Global pitch is immensely cool. And panorama width as well. It's like extending the panorama of all drums at once. Now to the rhythms. We can merge rhythms too. So how about adding some tambourines to our current rhythm? Select Utility, Background Percussion, and choose some tambourines. Click Merge. Done. Don't like it? There's the Undo button in the plugins toolbar. So perhaps some shakers. Or maybe you need some inspiration. Click the Generate button and let the magic happen. An easy way to get a different groove for the chorus? Select one and click Load Chorus. See the channel here? Well, MDrummer can play up to 9 rhythms at once. It's like 9 great human drummers. Tempo, humanization, shuffle, and other settings are pretty self-explanatory, and we'll go through them later. Now to the most important part, how to control MDrummer in your project. There are 3 options. First, you can send notes to it, as with any other instrument, on MIDI channel 10. That will bypass the rhythm engine, so it's not very interesting. Then, the simple way, Song tab, where you can edit the arrange. Simple and fast, but not for complex arranges. Finally, the best way, MIDI command method. Use MIDI notes to give commands to your new virtual drummer. We'll go through it later. Anyways, believe it or not, it will take just a few minutes to make an entire arrange from scratch. You don't believe me? Let me show you. Verse, chorus, another verse, chorus, solo, chorus, done. When you're ready to mix your drums, just click on the Mixer tab. There's everything you need in here: volumes, panoramas, pitch for all drums, and you are given the full power of Melder Production plugins. Use as many plugins as you want: compressors, equalizers, reverbs, delays, and much more. These are available for each drum, send, utility, and output channels. For deep sound editing, open the drum set editor, multi-sampler, sampler, scratcher, subsample synth, synthesizer 4NN are waiting to be discovered. You can create, generate, and edit every single nuance of the sound. Comprehensive Rhythm Editor will help you to develop your own patterns to perfection. With no parameters like probability, deflection, pitch, offset, etc. There's nothing you can't do. The mighty Rhythm Generator will create the entire rhythms from scratch using a few basic ingredients. This is the way to make great drum tracks that will perfectly fit your music without spending a lifetime editing MIDI. Did I mention that MDrummer can analyze your entire sample collections and automatically build drum sets from them? Huge time saver. Then there are the input MIDI filters with automatic calibration. Just connect your electric drums, play for some time, and MDrummer will make it feel, well, great. Well, there's so much we need to discuss, so you can make great drums quickly and easily. The fun has just begun.